Here's a look at the Whittemore pairs. So these are all first calf heifers. They're all out of Arta Farm genetics, bred to low birth weight bulls. There's a 40-day calving period on these calves. So these are first calf heifers with calves at foot. Just give you an idea of them here. There's going to be roughly 60 of these pairs coming. Like I said, these 40-day calving period, these calves will all be vaccinated and cut with a knife. Pretty fancy little set of pairs. 60 head of these black first calvers that are going to be coming to town. We'll sell them timed online. You can see these calves are going, they're doing good. These little girls are milking fine. Just in excellent shape, been taken care of. Full herd health program on the heifers. They've had their scour boss, Ivomec, everything. And the calves will be vaccinated and cut with a knife. You can see these calves are going good. Just a dandy set. Calves are growing up. A lot of these heifers are going to be either home raised or Arta Farms. Just an excellent set. Nice little mums. Full herd health program. Just a dandy set of these. Calves are really on their way, guys. They're going great. See the size of these calves. Hey, babies. There'll be a timed online sale at the Olds Auction Mart. These are the Whittemore pairs. About 60 of them. Chance says he's young, he likes to work hard. He's going to keep doing this. If you're looking for pairs in the spring and you want some good little black cows, have an eye on these ones. There you go. 60 black first calf heifers with calves at foot. The Whittemore pairs.